Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has strongly criticized the interim trade agreement between India and the US and demanded the immediate resignation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said that the agreement undermines India's sovereignty and will seriously jeopardize the livelihood of farmers. Siddaramaiah, in his statement on X, said that a Prime Minister who bends the nation to external pressure undermines the interest of farmers and tarnishes the country's honor and dignity has no right to remain in office. He said that Modi should resign, accepting responsibility for the loss of India's sovereignty and integrity. He called the interim trade agreement a death warrant for 140 crore Indians, especially 72 crore farmers. According to him, this is not free trade, but economic pressure and coercion. Siddaramaiah said that under the agreement, the US will maintain about 18% tariff on Indian products, while India is being forced to reduce tariffs on US products to zero and remove other barriers. It is being claimed that India will import $500 billion worth of American product, which will benefit American farmers and the rural economy. He warned that Indian farmers will not be able to compete due to cheap and subsidized American agricultural commodities, which will endanger the livelihood of millions of farmers and agricultural workers. He said that welcome of agreement by the American farmers is a proof that will harm India. Siddaramaiah added that pressure is also being put on Russian oil imports, although 40% of India's oil import come from Russia. If these purchases are reduced, petrol and fuel prices will increase and the common people will be affected. He alleged that India has put personal interests ahead of the country's interest and put India in a vulnerable position. He referred to the ongoing cases in the US courts related to industrialist Gautam Adani and some other disputes, saying that the government is taking decision under pressure. The Chief Minister said that this agreement is harmful to the country's economy, farmers and sovereignty, and the government should reconsider it. Otherwise, it will have serious consequences. Meanwhile, under the leadership of State Youth Congress President H.S. Manjunath, a banner criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi was installed in the city, drawing political attention amid the ongoing development.
ನಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾನು ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಅಮೇರಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟು, ಅದರಿಂದ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ?
ಈಗ
ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ?
ಅವರು ಒತ್ತಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಣಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಮೇರಿಕಾದವರು ಒತ್ತಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಣಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.